Hi, I'm Roger Dooley, author of the book Brainfluence, 100 Ways to Persuade and Convince Consumers with Neuromarketing. I also write the blog Neuromarketing and Brainy Marketing at Forbes. Soon I'll be in Chile to discuss some of the findings that I discuss in my writings. In particular, we'll cover pricing strategies that can make your prices seem lower to consumers, as well as ways to present your products to maximize sales. We'll even look at how something as simple and seemingly insignificant as the typeface that you use on your website or in a print ad can affect response rate. Look forward to seeing you on April 22nd.